Spaghetti with roast tomato, pumpkin, basil and walnut pesto. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Cut half a pumpkin into 2 centimeter cubes. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Place the pumpkin and tomatoes on a sheet of baking paper on a baking tray. Then roast in the oven for 25 minutes or until tender. Meanwhile, place 4 cups of basil, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of walnuts, the juice of 1 lemon, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, and 1/4 cup of water into a blender. Pulse to a rough and smooth paste. Place a large pot of water on a high heat and bring to the boil. Add 375 grams of wholemeal spaghetti or fettuccine into the pot of boiling water and boil for about 10 to 15 minutes until al dente. Then drain and return the spaghetti to the pot. Roughly squash the tomatoes using the back of a spoon. Add the tomatoes, the pumpkin and the pesto to the spaghetti. Season with salt and pepper to taste and mix well. Divide the pasta between 4 bowls and serve.